most esteemed judges, most accurate timekeeper, my fellow colleagues, my worthy opponents, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant good afternoon to all. My opponent said that murders are intentional, but let me say this is a faulty definition, because due to also statistics which we will provide, it proves that all murders and murders in general are not intentional. They went on further to say that New York and Singapore is states that countries have more than one death penalty, and they have a decreased deterrent in murders. But ladies and gentlemen, this is like saying a raindrop in the ocean. We have to compare these countries in a worldwide basis. So may I continue? Honorable judges, permit me to outline the opposition's case. I shall be dealing with the moral aspect of capital punishment, that it is irreversible, and refuting the argument that it is an effective deterrent. Dareem and Twine, our second speaker, shall be dealing with the fact that most murders are not predetermined, however, they are crimes of passion. Daniel, our third speaker, shall compare the cost of life imprisonment towards capital punishment, shall summarize and give alternative solutions. Ladies and gentlemen, capital punishment is immoral because killing is immoral. Capital punishment is unjust because killing is irreversible. Capital punishment is ineffective because killing is not a deterrent to killing. The moral aspect is twofold. Our society is a Christian one that is significantly based upon the Ten Commandments. Most of us who are raised in this tradition should question, why do we see our respected leaders permitted or even engaged in capital punishment despite the clear biblical injunction, thou shalt not kill? We cannot restore capital punishment because it is a violation of our human rights. The Universal Declaration on Human Rights acknowledges the right of every human being to life and categorically states further, no one shall be subjected to cruel, unusual, or degrading treatment or punishment. Ladies and gentlemen, capital punishment violates these rights. Capital punishment is irreversible, which means that once a person is executed, it is final. All judicial systems make mistakes, and as long as capital punishment persists, innocent persons will be executed. I quote from the book Death Quest 3 by Robert Bourne. As many as 16 persons have been executed in error in the United States since 1976. What about the rights of these innocent persons? What about their rights not to be subjected to this cruel and unusual punishment? Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a family member, a father, a brother, or even your mother, convicted of murder, sentenced to hang. And 2 days after the execution, significant, new DNA is found, proving that it wasn't your brother. What do we do now? The falsely accused is dead, and well dead too. by the words of former Chief Justice P.M. Bhagwati of the Supreme Court of India, who said, however careful may be the procedural safeguards erected by law, before capital punishment can be implemented, it is impossible to eliminate the chance of judicial error. Mr. Chairman, who makes the judgment? Is it the hangman's noose? The execution chair? No, the judge, the jurors, who are all humans and liable to make mistakes. In addition, a Japanese prison psychiatrist studied 145 convicted murderers between the years 1955 to 1957. He couldn't find no one who could have said that they could have been stopped from committing the murder, although they had acknowledged that they were aware of capital punishment. Ladies and gentlemen, we cannot restore capital punishment because it is a violation of our human rights. We have seen that the above evidence shows that capital punishment cannot deter because it is an ineffective deterrent. Ladies and gentlemen, the execution of a convicted murderer can never be deterrent to killing. It is killing. I thank you.